Welcome to Crystal Handicrafts tutorial. So guys, mag-start muna tayo sa magic ring. Mag-chain 1, tapos 7 single crochet sa loob ng ring. Pull the yarn, tapos slip stitch sa pinakaunang single crochet. And then guys, ilagay nyo yung stitch marker sa pinaka-apat na stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. For row 2, chain 1, may 2 single crochet in each stitch. So, times 3 nyo siya gagawin. Hanggang dun siya sa stitch marker. Bago mag-stitch marker, I mean. Then guys, yung stitch marker, aalisin po natin and lalagyan natin siya ng 3 double crochet. After ng 3 double crochet, lagyan natin ng stitch marker yung 3 DC. Yun nasa gitna. Then, make 2 single crochet in each stitch na remaining. Tigda dalawang single crochet each stitches. Slip stitch sa pinakaunang single crochet. For row 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Sa pangalawang stitch, make 2 single crochet. Three times po siyang gagawin. So, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Last, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. So, 3 times po siyang ginawa. Alisin po ang stitch marker and gagawa po tayo ng 1/2 double crochet. After po nyan, ibabalik po natin ang stitch marker. Sa middle naman, alisin natin yung stitch marker, make 3 double crochet in the same space. I mean, in the same stitch. Then, insert na natin ang stitch marker sa pinakagitna ng double crochet. Remove the stitch marker and make 1/2 double crochet. Then, ibabalik po ang stitch marker. Make 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Tapos, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. 3 times po siyang gagawin. So, make 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet. Two single crochet and 1 single crochet in the last stitch. And then slip stitch in the very first single crochet. For row 4, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Make it 3 times. 1, 2, and then make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Again, so 1, 2, and the last stitch make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Remove again the stitch marker and maglalagay tayo ng 1/2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then guys, lagi natin ibabalik ang stitch marker sa pinagkuhanan natin. And remove the stitch marker sa gitna. Make 3 double crochet. And insert the stitch marker sa gitna ng double crochet. Make half double crochet until the stitch marker. Then, ibalik po ang stitch marker. Make 2 single crochet in the next stitch. And then make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Make it 3 times. So 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and the next 2 stitches make 1 single crochet. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Tig isang 1 single crochet sa susunod na dalawang stitches. Slip stitch in the very first single crochet. For row 5, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. and make 2 single crochet in the next stitch 3 times. Remove the stitch marker and make 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Insert again the stitch marker in the very first half double crochet. Remove the second stitch marker and make 3 double crochet in 1 stitch. Insert again the stitch marker in the middle of the double crochets. Then make 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches or until the stitch marker, and then insert again the stitch marker in the last half double crochet. Make 2 single crochet in the next stitch and make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Repeat it 3 times. Slip stitch in the very first single crochet. Chain 1 for row 6. Make 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat it 3 times. Remove the stitch marker and then make 1 half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Insert again the stitch marker in the very first half double crochet. Remove the stitch marker in the middle and make 3 double crochet. Insert again the stitch marker in the middle of the double crochet. Make 1/2 double crochet in the next 4 stitches until the stitch marker. Insert again the stitch marker in the last stitch. Make 2 single crochet in the next stitch and make 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Repeat it 3 times. Slip stitch in the very first single crochet. So yun guys, ganun lang ang pag-i-increase sa ating sleeve. Pakita ko sa inyo ang 7, ang 8, and then the rest. At pakita ko na lang yung ibang pattern until the row 18. So guys, yung sukat dito ay 9 inches. Mababago pa yan pag nilagyan natin siya ng wire mamaya. So mas lalaki siya. Unlike dito sa nagawa natin. And this one, 10.5. So mababago din po yan. Itong size na to ay pwede sa medium to small to medium. Dito makikita ang single crochet. And then, dito sa pagbaba na ito ay half double crochet. At sa gitna po ay mga double crochet natin. If mapapansin nyo, makikita nyo agad kung saan ang increasing. Perfect po itong size na ito sa medium, pero ang size ko po ay small lang. So guys, lagyan muna natin siya ng stitch marker. And next, gagawa naman tayo sa panloob or dun sa ating pang shoulder na size. So, see you to the next part 2. Bye-bye!